Brian sweeping the trampa. Forget it, Brian. You're not gonna get all of them. Chuck it.
What?
Here, pass to me.
Last 2 weeks. Fuck it.
Pass me the broom.
I'm good. Why? You're not gonna catch it.
Oh! I almost missed that. I think I got it. Ouch, that must hurt your boob.
It actually doesn't.
Because you have none.
What?
Because you have none. This video's for Steve's. I made you mess up. This video's for you, Steve's.
For Jordan.
Jordan Steffens or Stevens. Steve. I love Steve.
I love Steve more than you do.
I know you do. Stop doing the same thing. Can you do something special for Steve? Do you want to risk it for Steve?
I'm gonna fall off.
Good land.
Thank you. That was for you, Steve.
Try an aerial. Brianne just broke her arm. That was funny, sorry. Hurry up, get up.
You can't distract me.
Sorry. I'll shut up.
What was I gonna do?
Ariel? Just try, even if you fall on your face, it's for Steve's. Could I come on?
Yeah. Ow. Is it gonna stay like that?
I guess.
Can you see anything? Yeah, I can.
Not the bottom of the camera. I don't know if I do that knee drop split thing.
Wait. I'm trying that knee drop thing.
Whoa.
That's what I did when I fell off.
Watch out, don't jump.
Oh, I fell off. You jetted. Wait. Okay. Like this. Oh.
Yeah, my hair's so loose.
Okay, I'm done. Bye, Steve.
Bye, Steve's.